What's up guys, Ryan here, and this is part one of our office studio build out. So come on in, check it out, and we'll show you around what we're getting ready to do. So here we are inside of the office. This will be an office. This actually used to be our studio. So this is what we used to use for our recording. But for the meantime, my wife, who is our client today, she's on the third floor of this building. Their whole business is expanding. They're getting a lot of new people and she needs more room. She's out of room. So she's gonna move down to this office here and we're gonna kind of build it out for her. One, it's gonna be nice and quiet so she can get some work done. But two, she records a lot of video. Go subscribe if you're interested in like real estate law stuff. Should be over here somewhere. So what we're trying to do in here, we're gonna set up an office studio, so a YouTube recording setup. We want it really comfy and a loungy type thing. Over here is gonna be an area where we can put a little table if people wanna come in and sign their paperwork or have a meeting with her. And then over here, we're going to put her desk and her whole working area. So step one, take all the junk out. With the paint, we are gonna go with, it's Joanna Gaines. It's Magnolia Silos White, but this wall, and this wall are all gonna be white. We're gonna do a whole lot more to this, so we're kind of doing it in like phases. This is gonna be phase one. We want to eventually stain the floor. We want to paint the ceiling so it's not ugly foam gray. We're gonna put a overlay on this, so maybe like a wood palette type looking wall. But for now, we're just gonna paint it. So it's a concrete wall here. We wanna make it a little warmer down here since it is a basement. So some things I do like about this area. One, we put the glass door in with outdoor light. So we do have light coming in. It doesn't feel like you're in a basement. Two, audio is pretty dang good because we have the ceiling exposed with the foam. What is that called? Insulation, thank you. So the foam insulation's right here. We did put some new LED lights in above that are nice and bright. They're daylight balanced, so it kind of makes you feel like you're outside all day. The last thing I do like, one, she has a bathroom, and two, a big storage area. So for her, she can put junk that's not being used in there. So maybe a light stand, if we're not using it, we can throw it in there. We'll see once we kind of get to the setup, but that's gonna allow her to keep things nice and clean in here and feel good about getting her work done. So we're gonna kind of build this thing out, optimize it for what she's trying to do, and follow along. We'll kind of go over how we're building it out, why we're using certain colors, why we're putting pieces of furniture where we are, setting up the lighting so she can just press record because she is not a video person. She doesn't know what to do. So we're gonna kind of optimize this thing for being able to work, record YouTube videos, and also meet with people and have kind of a conference.